I am so excited because I'm about to harvest my very first homegrown artichoke. I've tried to grow it for years from seed, but it's been surprisingly hard. So at a plant sale, I saw some artichoke plants that were $4 each. So I went for it because I was tired of trying from seed. This variety is called Purple Imperial Star, and you can see some little splashes of purple on it. Unfortunately, earwigs crawled inside the outer leaves and were pooping all over inside the leaves, so I had to evict them and put diatomaceous earth all over the plant because I knew I wanted to harvest at least this one soon. This one is actually kind of small. I can almost fully cover it with my hand, but I want to harvest it now because it looks a little top-heavy for the plant, and there are also some other baby artichokes on this plant, so I figure by harvesting this one, it will allow the others to take off. Artichokes will flower if not harvested, and I know some people grow artichoke just for the flowers, but I want to eat mine, and that's one of the biggest reasons to harvest it now. I've been waiting for this moment, and I don't want to risk it flowering. This is so exciting. And here it is, and because of the earwigs and poop, I am going to just remove the outer leaves here while I'm outside. All right, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna go inside and get this a little bit more cleaned up. I'm going to soak the artichoke in a bowl of water with a little bit of vinegar since it can help kill some bacteria. Even though I removed those poopy leaves, you just never know. There's so many nooks and crannies in artichokes, so I just like to do a nice soak. I've dried it off a bit and I'm going to remove more of this stem and then I'll cut it in half. It's a little uneven, but that's okay. Most people will steam artichoke with lemon. I don't have lemon right now, but I am going to actually throw this in the air fryer with some olive oil. And in place of lemon, I do have this citrusy garlic spice blend from Trader Joe's. This is great stuff right here, and I'm sure that this spice blend will give me the same flavor profiles. I set my air fryer for 10 minutes at 350 degrees, but because it was so small, it was ready after 5 minutes and it smelled so good and it tasted even better dipped in melted butter. I cannot wait for the others to be ready to eat this season.